Hello traders, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. Had 97 people in the chat room today. Markets down, breaking down as we thought would happen. Down 2.13%, 2.3% on the NASDAQ, 2.4% on the S&P, 2.9% on the Russells, and almost up 10% or 9.5% the VIX, volatility index, the fear indicator popping up over 30, nearing 31. Now, and also, little side note, crude oil drops. We're back around the 70 and a half mark. And natural gas spiking up over 8% today. Interesting. Here we have a bearish divergence on the MACD using the filter 5, 9, and 2. Very powerful, and today we come crashing down. Now, let's really blow this up and read what's taking place. And you know what? Let me just spread some kudos to myself here, if you will. But Thursday, let's really zoom in here. This is Thursday. See the apex? I'm looking at the apex of this symmetrical triangle right here. Thursday, I started saying in my videos, we're getting close to the apex. I do not want to see a breakout or a breakdown on Friday because that would give everybody the weekend to chill out about the movement. But I was hoping it would hang out and wait until Monday. So in the chat room, I was talking about that. And sure enough, I said Monday or Tuesday on Friday's edition, that I said Monday or Tuesday, expect a big move. And we got this big move right on Monday. And a 2% move is big in anybody's books. So a very nice breakdown. What's different about this breakdown is that it broke a major trend line. Let's go back and talk about this. Look at the two orange lines that I have going up here. Let's go back in time. You can see where we have a swing high, a swing low, a swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. You can see these higher swing lows acting as support, higher swing highs acting as resistance. We have a nice channel. This is a nice uptrend. We leave the channel right here, but immediately come back into the channel. This is called a jab. Anytime you leave the channel and come back into it, they're jabs. You don't get these very often, but interestingly enough, on the S&P, we actually got it twice. We come down and hit support, and then we break the support area. You can see this orange line. We broke it. We break it going back up, and then broke it coming back down, and then we finally came back in. So here we had one jab, and then I'd call this two or maybe even three jabs. Very seldom will you ever see that many jabs in one single trend. And we have a nice channel coming up with 2 to 3 jabs. Wow, that just shows how crazy this market has been. So anyway, we come back up, finding resistance yet again. And then we go into what's called a high base formation. A high base formation is more bullish than it is bearish, and it was taking place right here at this big monster, big blue trend line. If we go back in time, right here, we have resistance, resistance, resistance. You see me use this a few times. And then resistance. But Friday, if you remember, I thought, it has the best chance it's ever had to actually go northbound because we closed over the line. But nonetheless, on Monday, we come crashing down. Boom! Finding support at the rising 20-day moving average. We went down as low as 920, and right here we close. We closed below 925 at actually below 924. Also, 925 is acting as a nice intraday resistance area. So this has broke some area. Look at this trend line coming across. Not a trend line, just a resistance line. Look at this major swing high, and look at this area right there. And if we come over here, it snapped it. And then this little guy, this teal line right here, that comes from this swing high. We snap both of those. Boom! Comes straight down, and I see we're going to have some resistance or support areas. We're going to have the support at this trend line right here coming up. We have this swing low to this swing low. So that's going to put us around 915, 916 area. 915, 916 is support, and this and then this little teal line, this is going back to these swing highs. You can see those right there. So we're going to find some support at 913 area and 910 area. Those will be support levels. But in the big picture here, I'm expecting a down leg to start any time now. But for us to really do that, it's going to have to drop a little lower here. You know, I'd like to see it get below that 910 area. If it gets below 910, there's really nothing to stop this thing from just breaking down. So let's pay special attention to the markets here. And I'll be also uploading a chat tip thing to give you guys some tips on the chat room. We had 97 people in the chat room today. It's been really fun, very educational, and a lot of people are trading based off of what everybody's seeing. It's just a great atmosphere, a great place. We do have a cap at 100 people. First 100 people get a spot. So glad to have everyone join us from a lot of different countries, and looking forward to you being part of the Free Trading Video community. Until next time, we'll catch you at Free Trading Videos, where the freedom to learn gives you the freedom to profit, and always use a stop loss when you're out there trading.